Hey, how's it going, everybody? Well, it's been a long time, hasn't it? Well, I'm back doing another video. So, in today's video, I'm going to be doing more of a repair. Now, this repair is going to be for two things. So, one of them is going to be for, of course, this one PS3 controller, and then the second one will be the second one. One of the issues that I had regarding these controllers is I was actually kind of checking up my PS3 system, and I started noticing that once I turned it on, for some odd reason, it looked like somebody was holding down, I don't know if it was like the left or the right arrow, and basically the menu was just scrolling. I did some digging around and I found out that it looks like this is a commonly known issue with the PlayStation 3 controllers. That I guess the connectors, after a certain amount of time, basically give out. So wear and tear goes in, and I guess like the connectors aren't really, or what is it? The connector ribbon isn't really kind of like connecting correctly. So that's why you get those issues. Well, when I was actually fixing that issue, I noticed that the batteries, or both batteries actually, on this one and this one, were starting to swell up. So, I mean, I've had this system for quite some time, so I was like, all right, well, let me see if I can find some replacement batteries. And I actually did. So I did find some batteries. Now, these batteries, it was an actual 2-pack of the PlayStation 3 battery replacements. So let me go right ahead and basically open this up and then, show you exactly what's in the box. Now, I will tell you that the cost for this, which was 2 batteries, I think, what is it, it comes with a screwdriver and I think like a charge cable as well. It was about like maybe $15, maybe 14 and change. So yeah, nonetheless, let's go right ahead and get this open, and then let's go right ahead and get those batteries replaced. Alrighty, so here's the battery. So let's go right ahead and get this open. Like I said, there is a cable right here. So little PlayStation 3 cable. You do have some tools, so it's not just the screwdriver. So you have screwdriver as well as this little plastic tool to go right ahead and open up the actual controller. So you get that as well. And then of course you get the batteries. So let me actually check to see what the capacity is for these. Alrighty, so from what I'm looking at, these are 1800 milliamp hours. So here we go. Let me get you a better view. Hopefully it focuses. So there it is. And of course, basically this one's technically the same. So let me go right ahead and start opening this blue wireless controller. So let me go right ahead and do that real quick. As well as one thing I forgot to show you. So, I mean, there's really nothing to it. You just get a regular screwdriver and just take out these screws. So it's a total of 5 screws. So 1, 2, 3, and then 4, and then the 5 right there. And then all you do is just, let's go right ahead and just basically pry this open. Okay. There went one of the triggers, there went the other one. So there it is. I think I still have a screw right here, which is fine. And there it is. So we got the first battery right here. So all we got to do is just, let's go ahead and unplug it real quick. Okay, so one thing I noticed as soon as I actually opened up the controller is that the original battery has clips. So as you can see, you have these little 2 clips that technically kind of hold it in place. Now, with the other battery that I bought, which is this replacement one, this one doesn't have any clips. So, I think what I'm going to do is, I'm just going to go right ahead and do this. So, what I'll do is I'll go right ahead and connect it. I'll connect it first. And then as soon as it's connected, I'm just going to basically try to slide it into place here. So, I'll just basically go here. I mean, it holds, so it's not, as soon as I close it up, it's not going all over the place. And hopefully that will stay in place and I won't have to, reopen it and try to reseat it. So that is going to be the plan to go ahead and get this installed. All right, so let's go ahead and connect the battery first. There it is. Go ahead and place this here. There we go. Battery is placed. Now I need to put the triggers back. So there we go. It's got one. And I got the other one. There it is. It is, once again, oh, there went the screw. So that was the fifth screw. All right, so we got it back in there. So let me just double check, make sure triggers are working. All buttons are good. It's good. That's good. That's good. All right, so it looks like we're good. So let me go right ahead and basically put all these screws back in here. Alrighty, so there we go. So that is one controller done. And actually, before I move on to the secondary one, let me go right ahead and actually test it out and make sure that it is working. So I'll be right back. Alrighty, everybody. Well, I went right ahead and actually checked it out. So as you can see, my controller is once again connected to my PlayStation 3. And from the looks of it, we're good to go. No rattling whatsoever. I don't know if you can hear this, but I mean, there's nothing, you know, basically jumping around there. The battery isn't doing anything. It's just basically in place. I was actually debating if I should use kind of like double-sided tape to go right ahead and just hold it into place. But at the end, I was like, you know what? I might as well not do that. The reason being is if I actually need to go right ahead and basically open this up again, I don't want to forget that, oh yeah, that's right, the battery is, you know, basically on with double-sided tape, and then I try yanking the cover out, and I might damage something. So I was like, you know what? Better just not do that. So yeah, there we go. So that was the quick fix for my PlayStation 3 controllers. This one I'm gonna go right ahead and do it off camera. I won't really, you know, bore you with the secondary one. But yeah, that is the end of this video. Alrighty, everybody. So I really do hope you enjoyed this quick fix video for my PlayStation 3 controllers. Like always, I really do appreciate every single one of you, and we will catch you on the next one.